Hi, this is Vicki Romaine with Cheerful Greetings, and today we're going to make that third pocket. This is pocket C. I have the two pages that I made previously, and if you notice I have put tape on the back of each one of them. That's where they will be attached to the spine. But to make this pocket, I'm just going to put some tape on one of them, and I'll show you how I do it. First, I want to make sure which is the top. I'm putting this tape here and down the sides so it will stick to the other page. In other words, this page will be back to back with the other one. And I'm just putting some strips of tape on to hold it. Now, I'm not going to put any at the top, and I'll show you why. I'm going to put a piece about here. That way, I can put a tag inside, like this piece of cardstock, except this is too wide. I'll put it down and it can't go any further because this is glued to the back of the other one. So let's see. I'm going to leave the strip on that belongs on the spine. That will be done much later. Right now, the only thing I'm doing is putting the two pages together to make our third pocket, and that's pocket C. Sometimes the tape comes off better one end than it does the other, depending on how you put it on. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is make sure both sides are upright. This is up and this one's up. And I'm going to go down the side of the spine and go slowly across and hope it matches up. And it does. Now I have it put together, and we have a pocket on one side of the page, and another kind of pocket on the back side, and we can put a tag in here, and it will only go so far. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you will, come back and see what kind of pocket I make in my next video.